there is our $750 abandoned boat, restored to its glory. I like the boat, but it's just not my style. We've had to do a whole ton of gel coat repairs and fiberglass repairs, holes that shouldn't have been there, cleaning, replacing things, you know, the stereo, the whole dash, most of the wiring, a little bit of engine work. From where she was to where she is, boy, it's night and day. This is just a dandy boat now. She's a doll. Low hours, 4.3 liter V6, ready to rock and roll. From abandoned in the woods at a storage facility to ready for hours of enjoyment. Just a gem. Went from busted up chines holes, no damage. We repaired every piece of damage that there was, and it is ready. Golly, that's going to be a fun boat. So if you're interested in seeing how this boat got from this condition to this condition, and it's just beautiful now. Go ahead and check out the whole series I've got on YouTube on how we did it.